Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a pigeon landing stand. First, gather your materials, including sturdy wood, durable wire mesh, and strong screws. You will also need basic tools like a saw, drill, and measuring tape. Planning your design is crucial to ensure the stand is both safe and comfortable for your pigeons. This initial preparation sets the foundation for a successful and long-lasting. For the main frame, select weather-resistant wood, perhaps treated pine, to withstand outdoor elements. The landing surface should be a sturdy wire mesh, allowing for excellent drainage and easy cleaning, while also providing good grip for the birds. Use galvanized screws and bolts for all connections. These will resist rust and ensure the entire structure remains stable and secure for many years. Now let's talk about making moves. Your primary goal is to expose those face-down cards in the tableau. You can move cards between tableau piles, always building down in alternating colors. For instance, a red queen can be placed on a black king. You can also move entire sequences of cards if they are already in order. When you run out of moves on the tableau, draw cards from your stockpile, either 1 or 3 at a time. This keeps the game flowing. For installation, firmly mount your completed stand to a stable structure, such as a sturdy wall or a robust post, ensuring it cannot wobble. Regular maintenance is key. Inspect the stand monthly for any loose screws, splintered wood, or damaged mesh. Cleaning the landing surface weekly will prevent the buildup of droppings, maintaining a hygienic environment for your feathered friends.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.